The senator, very lovely man. As I made this year, now he give me 1 million. When I win a competition, everybody call me millionaire. Excuse me, I've never been a millionaire. The first day when they give me 1 million, Access Bank remove 15 naira. They never let me see where. They just remove 15 naira. My partner, your help issue. As you say, I win, you go call vigilante. He say, me they shoot gun every morning for our. All those ones they shoot gun, they buy bullets, they shoot gun. They ask him why. He say for protection. Now when money finish, now my daddy see go meet them. Say, me vigilante they go. Now God the safe person. Tire. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, let's start the show properly. Country don't have to. I dey call just now a book boat. Now police van come pick me. Police your ram motor come. They say me I up in. I say I no fit up in. Police provoke. If you know say you not be thief, why you no want up in? I should be say I no want up in. I think say na dey reach o. Now last week police go arrest thief for one side for Sasuke. They park he lost for her side. Before they come outside, they don't thief police he lost. Now police go they ask thief, did you bring any car? Thief say no. Police provoke. As a thief, why will you be going for an operation without a car? What if police they pursue you and you want to take car?
We're making back again.
That is nothing. And now everybody don't they do two business. Last week I seen one policeman, they follow Nepa, your ladder. I can't ask him why they follow Nepa. He said, man, I leave on a 2 working they do now. If you not cash person, go cut person light. We dey quarrel.
Where them day?
That be smart you. Baba. If una like, una no clap for me. Not be me cause confusion for country. Everywhere do hard. Now this morning Babalawo no know when you take post for status. Help me, Lord. Country that. Country now your mate. Yeah. We there for we draw from our Access Bank. Now Eco Bank send me debit alert. Country now your mate. They say I win car for Porcupine Talent Hunt. Yes, I win last week Sunday. He gave me the car though he was not happy. Yes, even now saying they keep my list with me, but you not concern me. I don't win now. Ladies and gentlemen, not be to win car, my brother, you feel bad for it. Now when I win car, go ask how much for fuel. When they tell me, who not get car, no know what God do for her. My brother, if you not get car, you dey complain to God, you be ingrate. You don't know what God do for you. What they do as well more. Now welcome to Benin City. If you are here for the first time in Benin, Baba fear Benin, fear Benin guys. Now last week some boys go rape one Benin Ashawo. They rape Benin Ashawo finish. Ashawo say thank you. Before the commander Ashawo say their money na seize too. They shock. Now they tell Ashawo say na rape you. Ashawo say he no know. He say they be customer.
Turn down for what?
Benin are your mate. Benin girls will you go status post to they no know before right thanks for today. Oh, they know you know. Do you enter TikTok? Screenshot person post now for status. Thanks for today. And someone girl go post one boy. No say the boy don't die last week. He say thanks for today. Now police they look for him.
Take that thing, miss.
If I don't want clap for me, I want to clap for Voltage King. You know, easy. My Voltage King, yourself not small. So your people, you come outside because of Yebo Shi right now. Baba, I not get problem with hype men. Now only the recent ones when they come out nowadays. DJ, you get that Undertaker sound. Prepare them for me. I talk now, you want to perform? I get problem with the recent hype man of nowadays. Now why they tell people if you want book any app man for your show, before you ask for price, ask for location. App man won't give 1.2 million when you got the app for burial today. See what with the year. Play that Undertaker sound. Burial app man from Uromi. What with the year now? Hello one time, ladies and gentlemen. It's your favorite hype man. I feel they get issue with your name. Hype man, sleazy, busy, wheezy, easy. Not be to get money, oh. You feel live long. You die at the age of 32. You never old, you go pull body. Now one casket going down from the family. Hola. They beat and waiting all good. Yeah. Country now your mate. Now be only normal man be the effect now. Now for front of a hotel, I see one madman they waka they complain say, person your past 10 does mean no bread. Those days when the tea was the tea. How is money? Now why they tell people, nah, you cannot do one work to survive in this country. Now two business that they do. And they call you now and see one policeman, they follow Nepa, your ladder. I mean, they ask why they follow Nepa. I say, man, live on that two working they do now. If you not cash person, you go cut person light. If you not like, you not clap for me, you not clap for me. Not be make us confusion for country. I be gonna clap for that senator, it's not easy. Small 1 month when stay for UK, do show, London story. Not be made, they stay 1 year. Baba, I tell him, say, me not your pressure himself don't try. You know if he please everybody. When he thought say, want go UK, some people say, hi, yeah, you want see money, take go. The guy go, he come back, the same people gather, say, hi, not even take.
They not like us.
Not be made to relocate. Don't forget about that one. I live London story for who go stay there for 1.5 months. Let's talk about the country. Country don't have to. Not be only humans, the thing they affect. Yesterday night, my spiritual wife asked me for transport. Mama, country na yo. When last year say wish press person? Not be power that they press person. Oh, not chop for afternoon, I want to fly for net. Papa. Country now your mate. Now so they send one. You know, they don't look their mirror where they say make us suck my blood. The wind enter my room to the glory of God that day I know wear shirt. He look me, I look him. He look me, I look him. Small time I say, Baba, me see they eat vegetable. If not be coke when they in my room that they waited the guy for drink. Baba, country now your mate. Oh, thank you very much. Hope say complete. My life now brave bro, they don't small. I for one, I'm not just a comedian. I donate blood for a living also. Baba, don't look me like that to blood then, and you don't know. But I don't stop, Asha. The last person when I donate blood give last month. Now last week I hear say the person go do blood money. Before you know his spirit here called they pursue me. I mean they have the spirit why they pursue me. Say you know you know, but my blood look familiar.
I don't suffer no be small.
Fear Opa. Now by this time last year they invite me for Opa. I want go show. I put my phone for my pocket, connect it to my earpod, that they listening music. Ladies and gentlemen, they thief my phone and no earpod see they play. Only what I observe say na music one not get before now they play. I call the gay. You are a man. Baba, wait oh, I dey fear oh. Sachet this money when is praying na from your mind oh. For all purpose is praying the same person rob me oh. Listen to me with it. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, you are the real comedian. You make me laugh. Baba, I dey come now wait to. This one be the most important point. More than know they scatter around. If they scatter around now, they'll pick and give me. She na 10,000 a year. 4-2. Baba, listen to me. I said I put my phone for my. DJ, raise your leg. Oh, I pick a. I all like you, MC. They try. You see? Ah. Wow. Na regular spray me? No. Wow. Hey. Wait, that senator figure they jealous oh. Finish that last one. Man, finish that. Country don't do. Those days, fuel cheap now. Now this morning I book boat. Police use van call pick me.
Check me.
As he stopped from my front, I dey look am. He said, "Me I open." I say, "Open yourself."
Check me.
He said, "Me I open." I don't know be me be Funful. I say, "Yes." He said, "Me I check the name for there." I look at DPO Francis. He said, "Hey, na me na." I say, "I not feel open." He say, "If not be say I be thief, why I not feel book the ride?" Country that. Landlord not get like tenant on Jane. Cause if your landlord go meet tenant say one plug phone, tenant say no space.
Check me.
Now landlord provoke. Which one be say no space? I know how many sockets I put for this house.
Check me.
Baba, I dey tell people not pressure yourself this period, oh my brother. The country they affect everybody. Now everybody they do two business. For my area, I get one traffic, one checkpoint. Hold up, always they dey there. Now this morning we discover say all the banana when women they sell for that place. Now DPO get on. Baba, everybody they do also all the plantain chips. Now copra get on, balance and carry. No, they say foul don't there because country don't hard. Foul is 20,000. See where poor men gather, they play draft, they discuss. One say on wine. You hear say foul na 20,000 now. Now you say na there's a bill, they keep foul for babu. As if they play and the other one say, even all those free dove when God give up for us. You know say if you boil like fat, they rise. But they don't small. Poverty not good though. If you observe those days, if you they keep foul, because that time country good. Now so they shout. Because country good. Young man, if you want to keep out this Christmas, you're observant. They know they shout again, though, they look you. For their mind, is this life? Is it not better I die? I tell you. Well, no. Yeah. When last year, say person commit suicide? Which suicide? Not bulldog chop they die. That shall not die. Now so one boy from my area, hungry, beat. Now he say he want kill himself. Now he poison water, small bread when he get, now he use and drink the poison. He not die. He be let say na bread and tea.
Reza.
Hold on. Not bulldog chop they die. You poison jollof, you die. Poison fried rice, you die. You don't poison Gary. Your belly is an assault. Oh, wow. In fact, you are the comedian and you make me laugh.
Check this.
Hold on. DJ, raise your leg. I beg you, say that from your mind you spray me. Oh. For Benin person spray me, the same person rob me. Oh.
Raise on.
Hold on. Hope say Bongo Joe give my money, I'll pick and save. Now why they carry bag?
Oh, they don't small. You don't see money, you don't they come. They go downstairs, always say Baba. Baba, they tell people, no pressure yourself. My brother, if you don't get money, borrow, not be you start time. I said, they talk to you now, bank, though they borrow from bank. And I know saying that last week, Ope borrow from Pampi. If it is that they like, ask Kuda. But even though say you want to see borrow, I say so. One guy from my area go borrow money from Lapo to open orphanage home. Till now, enough he pay. Now this money Lapo come pack all the children come out. I'm even clapping noisy. Wow. Thank you very much. Yes, this one senior, this one 200. What they do on small country don't hard. Thank you very much. You're like a father to me. You shouldn't be behaving like this, oh. My brother. Country don't hard. Avoid poverty, oh. No say when you're poor, you can't get peace of mind. Things no, they bother you again. Yeah, they shoot stray bullets. Now there you see them. You happen to one of my guys now, hungry, beat and now you see one key safe. Now you put poison for water. Bread, small bread when you get now, he's and drink the poison. You know that. The belly is in a bread and tea. Don't chop they die. You poison fried rice, you die. Poison jollof, you die. You don't poison Gary. Your belly is in a salt. Nothing be poverty. Yeah. You don't pour to the end and say your bank advise me go pour another bank. I just day one money, get where I broke rich. Before I wake up, my bank don't borrow me money without my notice. Before you know that they come in, hello, this is Access Bank. You see what we send you. Now provoke. What's the meaning of that? Why will you send me money? They say, hey, we know say now you want to pay the problem. That dash you.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way.
Papa! Now this money turn our dog back landlord. And tenant never pay rent. No be that one pay me. You pay me because you tenant they tell landlord say, "Oga landlord, I don't feel they want you the way you dey waka for this compound." Country now your mate. Yes. Everybody now do they do two business. As I tell advice on so I tell advice to state government. They don't see the do one. They build one police station for my area. Otbaga police station stroke car wash. My brother, if police not catch thief, you all go by yourself ride the motor enter DPO say hold on. Here is the money take buy bills. Country now your mate. Yes, please a round of applause for MC Edo picking. Yes. Yes. Not be smart you, but I not like what he do. He carry comedians from Benin. He lodge all of them for Echo Hotel. He go lodge me for Andy of Ekpe. Hotel where they lodge me, if I log door, TV go off. I mean, they ask receptionist, if I log door, why TV go off? They say, me open now. Country dog! And they always tell people, this is the wrongest time to be kidnapped. No jokes. Those days, once they kidnap person, before 24 hours, family don't rally around, look for money. If even they tell they involve the police, they'll say, no, give what belongs to Caesar. Now, they kidnapped my landlord picking last month. 10 years old boy, small boy. My landlord, they beg, please release my child. Now kidnapper say me bring 50 million. As my landlord here 50 million, he say, for last born. Now he called the call.
Kidnapper call by my landlord no pick. Now this morning they tell the small boy say me go tell papa say nothing is too small.
I say come on.
That's small time not. Oh now how good. Now for Benin and Lodge Hotel. Wow, you dey spray. They hot, it be like rich one money. Bro, wait. You know say rich one money they could they finish. Put another one. Hey. Hold on. Yes, make we do this one time not day. Yes, our time go there. I don't chop money, no time. Wait, now for Benin and Lodge Hotel. I enter my room and not see toilet. I go meet reception. He says, excuse me, I can't find my restroom. He say, I check on where? Did they check on where? I go back, I go meet him. Excuse me, I said I can't find my restroom. He said, have you checked the wardrobe? One open wardrobe, see toilet and bathroom. I checked out from the hotel. I lodged for another one. That one even good. This one, no toilet and bathroom. I meet receptionist. He said, man, not vessel. Toilet and bathroom of the hotel, the back of the hotel, manager, the bath. One of the tell people say country don't hard. For you to know say country don't hard, you don't watch the way Oyibo children till they cry when they born the newborn baby in Nigeria. If you go Oyibo, once the newborn baby, the baby will they cry, you they see the joy. The reason why that baby they cry now because of change of environment. For Nigeria, the way the baby till they scream, you often know say not be just change of environment, change of condition. Now that time I can't know say for heaven, God actually give all the babies choice. Some people choose UK, choose Canada. All of us we do over Sabina, they here today. Now when they all born the newborn baby, the way the baby they cry, go be like say the baby they say, oh no, I fuck up. Like yesterday we observe Anna. For UBTH, now one newborn baby they cry. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Before you know it, now the baby start to cough. I fuck up. I fuck up. Mama. Please, a round of applause for that senator once more. Yes. You know, thank you very much.